David, stop. I'm about to start filming. Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't already know who I am, my name is Anna. And if you haven't already, click that like button, that subscribe button for more content because more is coming and it's nice. Anyways, forgive my makeup. I'm trying to relearn how to do makeup. And so today I'm filming in my kitchen because I'm about to take down this hair and I have to like do the formula for my hair. I'm just deep conditioning, but I ran out of like all the non-natural products, so I'm just gonna have to use kitchen products that I have today. And I'm gonna take this down here, deep condition, and then just show you what I do when I deep condition. Today I want protein and I want shine. That's what I want. Disclaimer, like this formula that I use is not consistent, so it changes every time depending on what I want my hair to look like or what I need my hair to be fed. This was my first braid. I've never braided anything like this before because I don't know how to braid. Shout out black girls who can't braid. If you hear any piano playing, it's my brother. He plays 24/7. No coins in these pockets to buy new products, so you know you have to improvise. So I'm gonna do what I used to do before, and then and this stuff really helps your hair grow. It really helps your hair shine. It really helps your hair do the you know, look healthy and be healthy. So the first step is, let's grab our scissors. There isn't a lot. And my hair is short because I did the big chop a few years ago. So it's not very grown. So I'm just gonna cut it like here. Ooh. These scissors suck. One more. Bro, English is not my first language, but I speak it better than my first language. But I don't speak English as well as you know, first language people who can't speak both languages properly. No. But why she calling you at 3 o'clock in the morning? What, Mickey?
Well, the beans are for you guys, for you.
Did we ask for beans?
Did I ask for that to leave? No, but he still left.
He sounds like someone is having daddy issues.
You say that as if you don't have that same issues.
I don't have daddy issues. I'm going to put my ingredients together, my formula together, and then I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'm gonna put it in my hair, and then we're gonna wait. Ooh. Ah! That one's pretty fine, but dandruff. Let me show you what I'm gonna put in my hair. And we're gonna wash the hair. You know what? I'm also going to add this in my, like a cap, like this much, in the mix. And I'm also gonna add this little bit of this hair mayonnaise. This stuff is amazing. This stuff. Those curls. I'm not going to towel dry my hair. Yeah, I'm just giving it what needs to be done. I'm actually gonna put it in sections, and I'm going to put it in sections. I'm gonna use these little tiny rubber bands, put it in sections, and then put in the product. I'm gonna move to my room for better lighting, and then I'm gonna put the product in. Okay. Just gonna twist that in. Let's put that rubber band back. You can also take this opportunity to detangle, which is what I always forget that I'm talking and then I just stop. Like, okay, let's put this cap on. What are we feeling? Walmart? I don't know. Or this one's fancy, top of the line, expensive, bougie, farm boy. You know what? I think farm boy goes with my outfit, so it's decided. Farm boy, a little bit matchy matchy, you see? We're gonna leave it in for 45 minutes. So a half an hour is enough time for it to penetrate into your hair. And I'm just giving it an extra 15 minutes because I can. Let me clean up. The products I'm going to use: coconut oil for sealing, this for moisturizer, and it just helps your hair grow. Grease, it's Kuza grease, and then some styling gel because I'm gonna put it in. I'm going to put my hair in some twists, and then you'll see how it looks like tomorrow. This is literally me like 2 days later. I haven't taken my hair out of this thing, so I'm gonna take it out of these twists. As you can see, it's pretty dry. I don't know why. Well, it's not dry, it's just lacking. Actually, no, it's not that bad. See, I plucked my eyebrows. They're not that bad. Ooh, don't tell me it's flake. Okay, see? Nice and beautiful. We're gonna spray with some water. Just a little bit, just for some moisture. That's it. Okay. It's actually pretty messy. Just don't really want to fix it. It's hard. But yeah, that is the look. See, the hair is super shiny. Okay. I know my face is super shiny too, but yeah. It's not as curled as I would have liked, but it's pretty good for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want more hair videos, comment below. And that's it. That's how you get this look. Until the next video.